Lamda masigi tungi khalaga thaudang lauba miyoi khak natana tangdu laitaba amadi khongjel yangna Chaokhatpa Khunnai ama Oinaba Hotnabada Thajaba Naha sing Mathou tai haina Manipuri Governor Bhalla na fongdokre ngasi headquarter IGAR South na silaga pangtokpa Measure Bof Cutting Meritorious Award yantokpagi thauramda mahakna fongdokibani Valley View Mantripukida pangtokpa thauram aduda Measure Ralangnau Bof Cuttingi Mafamda Hailei Katuna Ikai Kumnabasu Utki Tauramaduda IGAR South ki Major General Gaurav Sharma Tabaktagi Potharaba IRS Officer John SR Cutting Civil Amasung Military gi Makok Thongba Officer Singh Amadilei Kidraba Major Ralangnau Bof Cuttingi Imung Manungi Miyoi Kayana Taurumgi Manung Chana Major Ralangnau Bof Cuttingi Punsiwari Amasung Mahakna Pangthok lamba singthaningai oiba thabak singde yumfam oiraga John SR Cutting na iba second edition gi lyric amasu Governor Bhalla na fongki loinena Measure R Bof Cutting Meritorious Award tangkul gi mahiru singda yenthoki thauram aduga mari leinana Governor Bhalla na hai Measure Ralangnau Bof Cutting na Arunachal Pradesh ki Tawangbu Indian Administrative ki makhada purakna na Hotnabada laukiba thaudang asi singthaningai ni mahak tongan behiram kayada singthaningai oiba thabak thorum kaya pangthok lamba topa miyoi amani haukiba chahi khara asida Manipur na khudong chadaba fibam khara thengnarabasu Measure Ralangnau Bof Cutting gi wakhalonda yumfam oiraga ekhoigi pangal thauna asi Unity Dialogue amadi puna thabak tongminaba haibasina oiri aseng baluchingba haibasi power amasung position ginate integrity humility amasung asan ba mityang yauna thabak tawbuduni haina Governor Bhalla na makata na fongdoki
Major Bof Cutting was a proud son of Manipur, born in Mandal, who proved his life's journey from a young student leader to a soldier, administrator and diplomat reflects the extraordinary potential that lies within our people. He must be a great personality, a great man to achieve these positions so easily, and these are all very diverse kind of things, from security or a teaching assignment or a security assignment to a diplomatic assignment. He excelled in all these places. Major Cutting's life reminds us that nation building is not the work of a single moment or a single role. It's the result of consistent effort in education, in public service, in governance, and in building bridges between communities. I commend the author and publishers of this book for documenting the life of this remarkable personality. By bringing his story to a wider audience, they are helping ensure that the legacy of Major Bof Cutting continues to inspire future generations. May this book encourage our youth to draw strength from his example, to work for peace, to contribute to nation building, and to dedicate themselves to the development of our society.